Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will take you to Amphawa Floating Market, one of the most famous floating market in Thailand, where you can eat local food and desserts, buy souvenirs, see the ancient building design, listen to traditional Thai music, and ride a boat to see the Firefly at night. This market opens from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. from Friday to Sunday. It's 90 kilometers away from Bangkok, and it takes 90 minutes to get there. Let's get inside the market. I will let you know what the local travelers love about this market in terms of food, souvenir, and activity. Let us start with the food. The highlight of this market is the boat vendors selling food. You can sit by the canal, order food, and watch the chef cook. Local people love to eat seafood because it is so fresh, as Amphawa is not far from the sea. This is baked scallops with cheese. This is grilled giant freshwater prawn. This fermented fresh crab in soy sauce is very popular among local teenagers. The frozen cola is only found in Thailand. This is my favorite premium ice cream parlor called Moodaengs Amphawa. There are many exotic flavors to choose from, such as salted caramel mackerel. The price starts from 69 to 120 Thai baht per scoop, depending on the flavor. This one is sun-dried banana with caramel, selling at 79 Thai baht. This is Thai local alcohol with mulberries, selling at 79 Thai baht. This is my favorite coconut ice cream parlor called Bangkae Amphawa Ice Cream. There are 3 ways of serving. 1. Serve in a cup. 2. Serve with bread or a bun, both selling at 20 Thai baht. And 3. Served in a cone, selling at only 10 baht. Now let's talk about the local Thai desserts. This one is called Chub. It is made from green bean paste, molded into various shapes, then colored and plated with jelly. This is khonm chận or Thai coconut layer cake. It's made from mixed flour, coconut milk, and sugar. This is khonm bin or Thai coconut pancake, made from coconut meat, sticky rice flour, sugar, and coconut milk. And this is variety of khnom or Thai custard. Now let's find out what are popular souvenirs for local travelers. Number 1. Platu satay or mackerel in sweet soy sauce. Number 2. Platu man or steamed mackerel. Number 3. Other dried seafood products. And last but not least, packaged local snacks. For activity, as I mentioned earlier, a boat riding tour is a must. In the daytime, you can enjoy the view of the house along the canal. While during the nighttime, if you are lucky enough, you may see the fireflies from the trees near the water. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. You can find more detail in the description below. I already provided the map and the link to book the tour. See you in the next video.